All the world and good. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, let's go. Recipe of Alu paratha, Indian flatbread with potato stuffing. Cooking Indian flatbread, start with the filling. Pour a small amount of vegetable oil into the heated wok and add the cumin. Let her give away all the flavors. Add the finely chopped garlic and fry for 30 seconds. Add the onion, cut into strips. While the onion is being fried, finely chop the hot pepper and a bunch of green onions. Grate the potatoes on a coarse grater. As soon as the onion is slightly gilded, add curry, coriander, hot pepper, chili pepper and herbs to the wok. Mix everything well and lightly fry, a few minutes. Add the grated potatoes and salt. Squeeze the lemon juice, 1 spoon, directly into the wok. Let everything warm up well, mix and turn off. The filling is ready, it remains to cool. Now let's do the test, at least products. Knead a steep elastic dough. Always focus on your flour when kneading, everyone has different humidity at home. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Divide the dough into 6 parts, roll it into colabox. Cover with a film so that they do not dry out, each billet is rolled into a layer 4 to 5 m thick. The edges of the tortillas should be much thinner than the middle. Divide the filling into 6 parts, according to the number of tortillas. Spread part of the filling in the center of the tortilla and collect the thin edges to the middle. Now carefully level the tortillas with the filling with a rolling pin. In order not to break the dough, the first movements can be done with your hands. Take your time and, if necessary, dust the table with flour. Fry the tortillas in a small amount of vegetable oil. Fry on both sides until golden brown. If you did not damage the dough when forming, then the tortillas will inflate in the pan. Hot tortillas are greased with butter. The Indian flavored tortillas are ready. Smiley face. Both the dough and the filling turned out to be incredibly tender. Bon appetit. All peace and goodness podpisavat the canal. Goodbye.